Hello. I am back again with, for the change, I don't know, Ross likes these, with this stupid thing. So yeah, wanna just open it up and see what's inside it. And I might do an unboxing as well if it's what I think it is. Cool. This is Flashpoints, the complete first season, starring Amy Jo Johnson. That's the front. The back comes in this nice little slip, which is pretty cool. So there's the front, the back, disc 1, disc 2 and disc 3. There's 3 discs in that. Very pleased that I have this in my collection. So that is Flashpoint. You have an unboxing of that as well. So, and last but not least, film starring Linda Blair, Hell Night. Finally got this in my collection. That's the back. Yeah, the back, the front, the disc, and the inside of that. So you've had a unboxing, well, whatever that stupid thing was, and these two right here, Flashpoint, the first season, and Hell Night with Linda Blair. So that's what was inside that package. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you all soon. Ta-ta for now.